Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to enable TPM or TPP on your PC with MSI Mainboard. If you want to upgrade or install Windows 11, you have to do it. Enabling TPM or TPP in Windows 11 requirement from Microsoft. Now let's start. This is Windows 10. First, you go to search and type PCTech and run app. This app helps to check your PC meets the simple requirement or lost. You click check now and see on result. As you can see, my computer must meet almost requirement from Microsoft to install Windows 11. Now I just list enable TPM to complete all requirement. If this is yellow, it means you only list enable TPM on your mainboard. If it's the red color, it means your computer don't have a TPM 2.0, so your computer cannot match with Windows 11 system requirement. This instruction enable TPP-TPM on MSI Mainboard. Step 1. You turn on computer or restart. Press the delete button continuously to go BIOS interface. With a click BIOS file interface, you find security device support. By setting security just computing, you select PTT with Intel Mainboard like this. After that, you press F10 to save and access. With AMD Mainboard, you select AMD CPU. You select AMD CPU fTPM with AMD Mainboard like this. After that, you press F10 to save and access. With click BIOS GSE Lite interface, you find security device support by select security just computing. You turn on PTT with Intel Mainboard. Turn on AMD CPU fTPM with AMD Mainboard. After that, you press F10 to save and access. So this is your own step to enable TPP or TPM on MSI Mainboard. Based on the chipset, you can follow guide for Intel chipset or AMD chipset. Okay, I will show you how to enable TPP or TPM on MSI Mainboard for install or upgrade Windows 11. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.